Science Man Chan.
We're making balloon cars.
A balloon car? How are we going to make a car out of all of that?
I'm glad you asked. Here's what you need. Side of the car. Base of the car. Axles. Wheels. Balloon. Scissors, markers, and tape. Not provided in the kit. The first thing you want to do is cut the lip off of your balloon like so. Take the balloon and position it on the straw as tight as you can. Take a piece of tape and wrap it tightly around the balloon and straw so it is airtight. Measure 3 inches of the straw and cut. Do it one more time. Position the straws on the base of the car. Tape the straws onto the base of the car. Insert the 2 wooden dowels into the straws to act as your axle for your balloon car. Now it's time to put the wheels on the balloon car. Take the wooden dowel and insert it through the center of the wheel. Now's a great time to see how your balloon car rolls. Take the balloon and straw and position it on the base of the car and secure it with tape. Put the sides on the base and align them like so. And now, time to test it out.